Hey guys, my name is Hannah and welcome to our part 1 of our video editing walkthrough series. In this video, we're laying down the foundation because a smooth editing process starts way before you hit the timeline. So let's start. Okay, so let me share my screen. We need to start with the file organization. So for every video project, we need to create a main folder, label it clearly. So like test project, and then the date today, 6/29, 2025. Inside that folder, we need to create like subfolders. You guys need to understand that file organization is very important if you're going to create contents for your clients. Why is it important? Because to keep everything organized, basically. Let's name this raw footages. Next, audio. The next one, graphics, if there are any. Next, exports. Okay, so basically, this will be your step 1 before creating a video for your clients. Okay, so that sums it up. That's how important file organization is. Very important because we need to keep things organized, whether you're using a Google Drive or your file explorer on your PCs or laptops, anywhere. Please be mindful of how important it is because we don't want to end up losing our stuff. So now let's jump into CapCut navigation. Okay, you'll see your main dashboard. You see your create projects and you see a lot of things in here. So what you need to do is to just click create project. Once you click the create project button, you'll see your media library, your timeline, your preview window, and your toolbar. I'll be sharing another screen. Okay, so this is the reel that I created for my client. Again, this is the media library, this is the timeline, the preview window, and the toolbar. Media library is where your files live. Basically, this is where you import the audio, the video, and the photos. Next would be your timeline. Okay, so this is your timeline. This is where you splice or add videos from your media library. What you need to do is just drag it anywhere you want. Okay, so this is the preview window. This is your live look at the video. So while you're editing, you'll be able to see the live look of what you are editing. And then next would be the toolbar. This is where you get access to text, transitions, filters, and etc. This is the media library. This is the audio. This is where you can get the audio effects. These are the texts, the stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters for the video, adjustments, and AI avatars. I have not used the adjustment and the AI avatars. If you are going to use the audio library here in CapCut, what you need to do is just click this button and then drag it across. This is the audio library in CapCut. But I rarely use this. I use this only for sound effects. Text. You can either choose this or you can choose the captions. What we usually mainly use is the captions because it has auto detect for captions, or maybe if you can choose any of these languages. And when you click the templates, this would add effect on your text for your captions or subtitles. Okay, so these are the toolbars on this side. Next, we'll go to this side. If you click a video, you'll see this scale. This is for zooming in or zooming out. We have other options to stabilize the video, enhance the image, reduce image noise, and etc. For audio, this is where you control the volume. You can also add the fade in and fade out. Why do you need fade in and fade out? To have a smoother transition. If you are going to use two different audios in one video, you need a fade in and fade out to have a smoother transition so it won't be abrupt. Next, normalize loudness, enhance voice, reduce noise, separate audio, and fill channel. What I mainly use is the reduce noise, enhance voice. So those are two things that I mainly use when I edit a talking head. Okay, let's now go to speed. For speed, if you want to speed up a video, just drag this and then you'll see a difference in your timeline, right? But if you want to slow it down, it'll look like this. Now let's go to animation. If you are going to use an animation, what you need to do is just click the animation you want and it will automatically add the animation. Okay, adjust. This is where you adjust the colors of your video. We do have auto adjust and color match and color correction, but I will need to create a separate video for color grading. AI stylized, I haven't used this before, but who knows, I'll be creating a video for you guys. Now let's go to export. Let's just click the export button and then name them. Remember what I told you guys about naming your files? Very important. So let's say this is a draft. Draft project 1. Export to. Where do we need to export this? We need to export this in the file that we created earlier to be more organized. And then click the exports and then select folder. I rarely change this, so just leave it as is. And then just click the export button. So while waiting, I hope that you guys learned a lot today. This is a very straightforward and a very simple tutorial navigating through CapCut. Why? Why did we start with navigating through CapCut? Because it's important to know where things are, where the tools, the captions, the effects, and etc. So that's it. Thank you and bye.